FM News. On point.
Let's take a look at the news. I'm Lynn Komjisha. Nominations for those seeking to represent different areas in Parliament have kicked off today in different parts of the country. In Kampala, several people, including incumbents, have flocked the Kampala District Electoral Commission offices in intended to have themselves nominated. Notable among them is Kampala Central MP. That is Mohammed Nsereko, who was the first to be nominated today. He pledged to continue fighting for the common person if elected again to Parliament. Lands Minister Betty Kamia, who's running on the NRM ticket in Lubaga North, said she's going to ensure that her electors benefit from the government because she's now in the system. Others nominated include Paul Katolwama, Aloysius Mukasa, who are all eyeing Lubaga South constituency, Kaziwe Bashir, President of the Uganda Journalists Association, who is eyeing Kawempe South, Dr. Stella Nyanzi of the FDC, and Hajat Farida Nambi for Kampala District Woman Member of Parliament. The returning officer, Kampala District Frederick Moya, has said the nominations are moving on smoothly with 47 people so far nominated for parliamentary seats in Kampala District. Moya says that 4 out of the 47 are vying for the seat of Woman Member of Parliament, Kampala District.
So far, since morning today, the first day of nominations at the Kampala Nomination Center here, we have nominated a total of 47 people. Out of these, there are 4 women member of parliament for this Kampala district, and then we have 43 directly elected members of parliament for the rest of the 9 constituencies in the city.
More as us, those coming for nominations to adhere to the COVID-19 guidelines. Police in Kabarore district has said candidates for members of parliament for member of parliament seats who defy the COVID-19 standard operating procedures will be dealt with in accordance with the law. Vincent Twesige, the Rwenzori regional police spokesperson, says they have made deployments to secure nomination of members of parliament, which exercise started today. Police says that all the participants are expected to maintain law, order and observe the Ministry of Health SOPs on COVID-19. The SOPs include mandatory wearing of face masks, use of sanitizers and hand washing facilities, maintaining social distance, as well as avoiding big gatherings. Twesige says there shall be no convoys before, during and after nominations and no processions. Police has warned that all those who choose to be defiant will be handled according to the law. The Ministry of Health has committed itself to ensuring that doctors are available at their workstations in most government facilities. This was revealed by the Ministry Permanent Secretary Dr. Diana Twine during her support supervision tour to the districts of Kabarole, Kasese, Mbara and Masaka to fix gaps in the health system. Dr. Tine revealed that as a ministry, they are committed to filling all gaps at all facilities, especially in the field of maternal and child health, which will reduce the ever-increasing maternal and infant mortality.
The gaps that also affect the service delivery, especially in areas of maternal and child health. And we committed together with the districts that we are going to ensure that doctors are available. They don't leave the work to the nurses alone, especially unnecessary referrals, so that really they are available to work with the nurses to ensure that we reduce on maternal mortality and neonatal death.
She also said all regional referral hospitals will very soon roll out digital systems that the government has already purchased to ensure hospitals are properly managed.
We had been in the process of procuring all the necessary computers. We have made sure that we work on networking in the hospital and internet accessibility. All the regional referral hospitals now are expected to start and to roll out this system, because this system government put in a lot of money. We funded it, and therefore it is now high time that we rolled out. Digitalization will help us actually to ensure that we monitor effectively, we increase our efficiency, we increase accountability, more on the resources, on the medicines, and also our time.
In other news, Tanzania says more helicopters and planes will be deployed from today to put out the fires on Mount Kilimanjaro, which have been raging for 5 days now. Firefighters and volunteers are struggling, according to Tourism Minister Hamis Kigwangala, as efforts to extinguish the flames have not been completely successful. Progress has been hampered by the presence of strong winds and acres of shrubs and dry grass. More than 500 volunteers have been up fighting the blaze on Africa's tallest mountain. Although the cause of the fire is unknown, the National Parks Authority said there were indications that it could have been caused by people who were cooking at a resting area on the mountain. That was the news.
XFM News on point.